Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam. This is where I talk about all things sewing, and today is my turn in part of the vlog tour for So Selfless April 23. I'm sure by now, as it's the 22nd of April, you know all about it. It's a little challenge run by Adele, who is Sew for Serenity, Claire and Crystal, who is my social thread. And yeah, basically, it is what it says on the tin. You sew for somebody else. So that could be a friend or a cousin or a relative or even your pet. Or you can sew for charity as well. Since it's so far into the challenge, I won't go into too much detail about it. But there are 5 categories. That is menswear, ladies wear, children under the age of 2, children over the age of 2, and pets and accessories. So top tip here, I actually won a prize last year. The challenge is actually judged. It's over on Instagram. It's actually judged, but there are some random prizes as well. And my top tip is to enter one of the categories that are probably a little bit underrepresented. So, for example, menswear and perhaps pets, something like that. That's the one that I won with. Loads and loads of prizes. I will link Claire and Adele's and Crystal's videos down below, so if you want to have a look at the prizes. I won a voucher from So Essential last year, so there's over 50 prizes. I'll list all the vloggers now as we're talking. You should have seen Rachel yesterday. I'm sharing my day with Anna, who is Pattern Pouch Nest. Coincidentally, Anna is actually sponsoring the challenge as well, and Claire actually won one of Anna's pattern pouches during our So Frugal 23 challenge this year, so you know, it's anybody can win. And then tomorrow you should be seeing Tiffany from Who's Your Handmade. So that's the admin over. Onto my plans. So I've got another granddaughter due anytime now, a little sister for Alice, and I thought I'd make them a lovely little matching set. So I thought I'd have a look at some children's and babies patterns, and because I'm at the end of the vlog tour, I don't have a great deal of time. I don't have a great deal of time, full stop. I thought I'd just have a look at one source of free patterns that are for babies and children. This is not a company that I featured before, and I haven't seen them featured anywhere else either, so hopefully these are going to be new patterns for you. So the patterns that I'm going to show you are from a designer called Sparkle and Raw, and they are available on the Second Star Fabric website, and that is a UK based website selling fabric. I had not come across them before, but they've got some absolutely gorgeous fabrics, really bright, bold designs, and apparently they design their own fabrics, and they are all on GOTS certified cotton. So I really encourage you to have a look at them. I'm not sponsored, but I think it's nice when people put on free patterns that you can go over and at least have a look at their fabrics. There are some absolutely beautiful ones there, and I might just be putting an order in for some actually. There are about 9 or 10 patterns on there. Some of them are variations on a theme, so I won't feature them all, and they're all requiring stretch fabric with about 25% stretch. So I'm going to start with these dungarees because I think I like these the most. They're just a classic slim fitting dungaree with room for a nappy. So there's like a little gusset on them. These are from a tiny baby up to age 5. There's variations for shorts. So there's a short leg and there's a long leg. And then there's some really cute little sort of circular pockets on them. And then you can either have a fully faced bib, or you can just put binding on it, put a contrast binding on it, depending on what you like. So there's cuffs at the bottom, and then the shoulder tabs fasten with snaps, and there's enough room there for a couple of snaps so that you can adjust it for growth or different heights. So yeah, really like that one, and I really love this panda print that's been featured as well. So that's my first one. There's another dungaree pattern on there as well, and a couple of pair of joggers, and I think they're just variations on the theme, including one pair of joggers that's actually designed for water resistant fabric. Really practical for kids who like to splash in puddles like little Alice does, especially when I'm wearing inappropriate shoes, bless her. So those are sort of a few for you to have a look at there. Then next is this little half circle skirt. You can either have a single skirt or a double skirt, so you can sort of really have fun playing about with different fabrics here. There's a choice to put a double hem on it or a lettuce leaf hem, and then it's just quite a wide band at the waistline. That goes from a tiny baby, premature, up to age 8. And it can also be made into a pinafore, so there's two separate patterns for this, either the pinafore or the skirt, but I think it's actually a variation on the theme. But yeah, looks really, really versatile with the, you know, you can go the single skirt, the double skirt, you can put the bib on it. The bib's fastened with 3 snaps so that you can adjust it for height. And yeah, I love this one with the unicorns on and the rainbows. I think it's really, really cute. So the next one is the Snuggly Top, and this is a loose fit t-shirt or a jumper or a sweatshirt, if you like to call it a sweatshirt, and that goes from 0 months up to 13 to 14 years. So once you've got that downloaded, you'll never need another t-shirt pattern or a sweatshirt pattern until they're into the teens. It's very rare that you get them that such a broad range, and I think there's 2 pattern files, one for the smaller sizes and then one for the larger sizes. So yeah, you can either go long or short sleeves with hems or bands, and then you can either have a regular fit or a looser fit depending on what you want to, what design feature that you want. Regular or longer hem bands as well. So yeah, I thought that was a really versatile, useful pattern, and you can of course colour block it if you want. That would be fun. Do that in a nice fun fabric and make the dungarees plain, or vice versa, or just go mad. So I thought that would be a really cute little outfit, the t-shirt or the sweatshirt with the dungarees. So next I've got an A-line dress, and that again goes from a tiny 1-month-old up to 12 years, or more depending on your child's size. And it's got the following features. It's got side pockets or front pockets, and then it's got a pullover style, or you can put snaps at the shoulder. So it's up to you how you do that. Different hem heights as well, so you've got 3 hem style options on that one. So yeah, that's another versatile one. You can layer it up, you can put something underneath it, or a really nice little summer dress for them playing about in the sand and on the beach. There's also a really cute snood and hat pattern on there too, so I would probably revisit that in the winter time. Great one for scrap busting. Probably wouldn't make it now. And I've got these really cute little labels as well to put in what my finished makes. So that's it from me. Need to get this edited before my friend comes and picks me up in about half an hour. I hope that's given you some ideas for sewing for children and babies. I do have another video dedicated to sewing for babies. I think it's 10 free patterns, which I'll link here or here, not sure which way it goes, with lots more ideas for you. But let me know below what's your favourite babies and children's pattern designers as well. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I shall speak to you later. Bye.